There you go.
Yeah. This is still road, right?
Just on over for tea. Yeah,
this is still road. This is campsite 64. I took a picture of what I'm calling Area 51. I took pictures of water spigots underwater. We could try. We could try, but I don't think we want to do the Adirondack way right here. Oh yeah, I see the rings.
A couple times I've seen beavers splash and then beavers and muskrats, and you actually see the wake on the surface as they're swimming underneath.
Yeah, it's amazing. Look at this. Here's the water spigot we're coming up to underwater. It's blue. Just the other side of the 66 pole. This is absolutely gorgeous in here. This is all road and campground. Oh my God. All we need is the moss hanging from the tree, and you know what this is, don't you? Down in the bayou, deliverance.
Do what? Yeah. Well, normally it's not.
Oh my God. Look at this.
One of these was our picnic table.
Yeah, I remember. That was the den over there, wasn't it?
No, we're up here.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. We'll stop right up here a little bit.
We'll pull up to a picnic table.
Yeah.
There's fireplace, Dave.
Yep.
Watch out for the fireplace, Joan.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to get hurt. Yeah, really.
Right there.
Oh my God, it was underwater.
That's the hazard for kayak. You have to watch out for fireplaces.
Yep. Yeah, over there's where I got stuck.
It's another fireplace.
I got stuck on that.
Another fire pit.